Hello everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. My name is Vasir and today I am at Oakville City. I want to take you to road number 1, G2 route. So I park my car in reverse. There is 2 sides. I park on whenever you are entering on the left side. So when the examiner is asking take left or go to the left, shift the gear to drive, put the signal to the left and check 360 degree all around, right, center, left, back, all around. Turn the steering wheel. So here you need to put the signal to the right because we are going from here right. You need to check all around. If it is necessary, you need to stop, otherwise you don't need to stop. A car is coming, just I stop here just to make sure and see he is coming to the left, so I need to go to the right. Here again he gonna ask you make a left turn, put the signal to the left. You don't have a stop sign, but you need to check. So I check the car is coming, so I'm going to the left, so he's the one who have the right to go. So after this I'm going to the left, come at the middle and turn to the left. So speed is 50 here. You can go 48, 49, 50. That is the best speed. Any intersection is coming, any driveway is coming, try to take a look on that, and every 5 seconds check the rear view mirror. Any entrance is here, check it out. Intersection, check left, right. Here basically we should be on the right, but I didn't go to the right, so the examiner will tell you from the beginning traffic light, left turn. So at the beginning if it tell you should be stay here, otherwise you need to go to the right, because they're gonna ask you go to the left, so you don't need to go on that lane if he tell you in advance. So I stopped here. Whenever you stop, one car should be at the middle, so it means whenever you see the 2 tires and a little bit fall, that's good distance. Whenever you stop, check left, right, just show to the examiner that you're aware of your surrounding. So we got green light. You need to check the pedestrian while turning. So we are going to the left lane. Once you came to the left lane, the speed limit is 60 here, but once you get 60 or 55, then you need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come to the right lane. Maintain the speed limits. The speed limit is 60. You can go 58, 59. An intersection is coming, check left, right. So my light turned to amber. I need to slow down. Whenever you are slow down or applying the brake, you need to check the rear view mirror. So check the lights. Now it is change to amber, my light's gonna change to green, so be prepared. So from here sometimes they are taking you to the left, or sometimes they ask you go straight ahead. I'm going straight ahead. So if they take you left, they are taking you left from here, otherwise they are taking you straight ahead. We are passing Vola Crescent, check left, right. Speed change to 50. You need to go 50. Don't go above the speed limit. He will ask you left turn from one of these streets, so I'm going to from this check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come here. If cars are coming from the other side, you need to wait. Otherwise, check the blind spot and pedestrian, turn here. So here you see they say no driving instructor. It means this street is the area that they are taking tests. So when a car is moving, you need to wait for them. So here, any of this street, they can take you left, right, and they're gonna ask you of parallel parking. They might ask you other roadside stop. So I'm going randomly to one of this street. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From this street, I'm going to the left. So you can see no driving instructor. It means here this is the area that the examiners are coming here. So whenever you are passing a car, you must have distance. I'm going to do roadside stop. Whenever you are doing roadside stop, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. Don't block pedestrian, don't block people driveway. Once you come completely stop, push the hazard light, shift the gear to park, and tell them if your car is new, it doesn't need handbrake. So you can tell them it doesn't need handbrake. So when he says when it's a safe, proceed, shift the gear to drive, turn off hazard light, put the signal to the left, and check all around, especially left, and move. He might ask you here 3-point turn or parallel parking. I'm doing for you parallel parking. There is a car here, so I'm doing parallel parking on that. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come here. Side by side. So if you don't know parallel parking, please ask me, I will do it for you. This car has a little bit extra things, so it is a little bit harder for me to do the parallel parking, but anyway. And so I'm going a little back to show you. You can see there is an extra U-Haul, something to carry. So once you did the parallel parking, make sure you don't hit the curb, and also you have you are not too far from the curb, and shift the gear to park. Once you shift the gear to park, then he gonna ask you, probably from here he gonna ask you 3-point turn. I'm doing the 3-point turn, or he gonna ask you from there. I'm doing right away. So shift the gear to drive, put the signal, and check all around, special left, move your car, go to front. Once you come front, shift the gear to drive, put the signal to the right side, move all the way, and come. Once your mirror is at the middle, so you need to shift the gear to drive, put the signal, check left, right, all around, and just turn. So probably he take you from this way, he take you from the other way, but that is always the same. So this is just the simple, from any of this street they can take you. So I'm doing downhill parking. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, don't block pedestrian, people's driveway. So once you come to the complete stop, you can turn one complete and go a little bit and downhill. Once your tire hit the curve a little bit, shift the gear to park. That's all, and tell them my car doesn't have handbrake. When it says when it's safe, proceed, shift the gear to drive, turn the steering wheel, and check all around, put the signal, and move. So remember, some people they don't wanna go to the curb. So that's okay if you don't want to do that. 1 point, 2 point, they're gonna decrease. So again, here we are going to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the complete stop. Once you come to the complete stop, you should not go too wide while turning right. Check left, right, left again, and come to the right. So that's it. That's everything they are looking and G2. So an intersection is coming, just take a look on that. We are going to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and brown fruit. This is one-way stop. You need to complete stop. Just make sure if the bikes are crossing, or this is winter, no bike, but in the summer definitely bikes are crossing, scooters are crossing. Just wait here. Try to have enough view here. If you have if something is blocking, you need to creep up a little bit. So now I have a good vision. Don't rush. If cars are coming, wait for them. Yes, now I can go. Don't turn too wide. Speed is 50, you can go 48, 49, 50. So we have traffic light. If the traffic light changes to amber, we need to stop. Otherwise, we just need to check left and right. Here we just need to check left because we don't have right lane. So here a car is joining, check it. So from here, so you need to go to the right, but a car is in my blind spot. I cannot go to the right. After this traffic light, I will change my lane to the right. So check now, speed change to 60. I need to go 60. Check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. My cars, the cars who is on my blind spot, I have enough gap. Now I changed. If the car is so close, you need to go a little bit faster. For example, 60 is good when the speed is 60. If that car is going 55, 50, so you need to go to the 60. Here we are going left, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From here, the light changed to amber. I need to come to the complete stop, check left, right, no one is here, then I can go. Now I come to the right, my lane is going to end, so I need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and smoothly move because my lane is going to end, so I need to make lane change. An intersection is coming, try to check left and right. Speed is 50, try to go 50, 48, 49, 50. So here we are going to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right. They can take you to the left or right. I'm going to the right. Check them, put the signal, check the mirrors, and see if a car is moving or coming. Wait for them. So I need to wait. He will ask you do the front parking or back parking. If he do parallel parking, basically they don't ask you back parking. If they couldn't able to do the parallel parking, then they're gonna ask you back parking. I'm doing the back parking here. Go a little bit front, shift the gear, turn the steering wheel to the opposite side. Straighten the wheel. That is everything. They are looking in G2. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel to support me.